Picture this. Your first ad batch generated fine, but one variant's background is too dark. Another's text is unreadable, and you really don't want to start the whole campaign over just to fix 2 images. With Vyroq, you don't have to. You fix exactly the variant that needs it. Open the product's campaign grid. Every variant from your run sits here, each with its own quick actions. Regenerate, download, and favorite. Found the one that's almost right? Click regenerate, and a modal opens. What should change? Type something specific. Make the background darker, remove the text, use a brighter color, and hit apply. Vyroq re-renders only that variant. Your product itself stays exactly the same, only the scene shifts. Don't have a note? Leave the field blank and apply anyway. That's a plain regenerate, a fresh roll of the same brief. And if a slot fails outright, retry this slot, fires the exact same generation again, no need to touch the rest of the grid. Here's how you actually compare and choose. As new variants land, mark your favorites. Favorite flags the strongest hooks and CTAs, so they're one filter away, right there in your library under favorites. Weaker variant that just isn't working? Download the good ones, skip the rest. No wasted spend chasing a creative that was never going to perform. That's iteration without starting over. Steer one variant at a time, keep what works, and build your strongest set before a single dollar hits the ad platform. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.